Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with admin rights because you will change system-level rules. Make a quick backup of the current firewall configuration so you can roll back. Next, identify precisely what's blocked: an application, a service port like 80 or 443, or a protocol. Once you know which item is affected, temporarily disable any third-party security only if you trust the network and record that change. This prevents interference while you adjust the primary firewall settings. Now create a specific allow rule in the correct tool: Windows Firewall with Advanced Security, UFWA on Linux, or Firewall CMD for firewalled. Add an inbound or outbound rule as needed, specifying the exact application path or numeric port, the protocol TCP or UDP, and the allowed IP scope. This prevents overexposure. Once the rule is added, set its priority and enable logging so you can see attempts. Then test connectivity using ping, traceroute, or finish by re-enabling any third-party security you previously paused and confirm the new rule persists through a reboot. Make sure the change is permanent. If the connection is still blocked, inspect the firewall logs for denied entries, verify NAT or port forwarding on routers, and confirm your ISP is not filtering that port. If necessary, restore your backup and try a narrower rule. Document what you changed and why so you can repeat or reverse the process later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.